What now? Me patrol them about what now broche pen. Me matena broche for so many years.
Very well.
Me manyina me woman nyina wa broche. Okay. Now what bia. Samenya adwuma na me tia broche ya tua me ka.
Unemployment benefits.
Exactly, and as income support.
Very well.
And as I adwuma na msika na meje, bia meje 300 euros every week. 300 euros na meje no. Eswa. Aban say me my 6, me for my 6. Me na me yire ya nipa 8. Sa nipa 8 no 300 euros na anso ye.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ediba Ghana and c0me TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje also. Or text me Mr. President or comment section ameje also. Who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje also sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and c0me TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party amenu kono. They are power 2028 inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the power by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo mi amade na sase bebe few. Now once again me catch again and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Da chinti ne ya manyo sem nye print ne ya manyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. I just said, "Be a home bachelor."
What now? Me patrol them about what now broche pen. Me matena broche for so many years.
Very well.
Me manyina me woman nyina wa broche. Okay. Now what bia. Samenya adwuma na me tia broche ya tua me ka.
Unemployment benefits.
Exactly, and as income support.
Very well.
And as I adwuma na msika na meje, bia meje 300 euros every week. 300 euros na meje no. Eswa. Aban say me my 6, me for my 6. Me na me yire ya nipa 8. Sa nipa 8 no 300 euros na anso ye. It's aban ma me income supplement. What is called SI account.
Social support.
Said the beya ye ho ye den enchire.
Angel.
I didn't aban ne sa. When it's I said the beer, Obia will be a small business piano. People have money to buy.
That's
and they say, what beer you bobo you to na tabia. Ministers come up to me or John Bocoso. But what I say, by this part of the world, you know, are buying child unemployment benefit. It is a well, Ulusu Jumachina, are buying phone, are buying responsibility. What I say, but who cares social security? So one cares social security, do not just social, you check my rap. But we just cannot normally add the floor. They are not giving it back to society. But what I say, and I need to man must hear and tears here. Okay, Crampona, when you now defending Crop, what did you want them?
Resetting agenda, they won't be as a
so send me the me who be a boy. Me the BB boy, me the record, oh, I do a boy.
But areas of education, construction, said big push your more comes as
expressway now expressway now Okano. Expressway now Okano. Sika be na flu honoma. Ye de to ade ma konkuntero na wa konkunte no we say ko guso moto.
Say I feel no much as and
to we na start it. So how will it impact my life? But what you share economy on. So this economy ni ma trickle down to everybody. Yes, because if say workers be e wo ha no mo yadwuma wo so interchange hono mo sesia ka obi no konkunte sia na so no awache sia no ka workers ne kwakoto ma me no no awache nani baji driver for almost be far workers no do ma ba almost adwuma baji obi will have something relating to that project, you know. But as a project, you know, we say agenda 111 almost store agenda 111 no. But agenda 111 me yes say minia akando oya o free rural constituency Dragoso wo hunu say ehun hia utie say bibi bia wo ye bia obetimi aye no pressure aban no amana twa konta just no mo ye agenda 111 no mo complete but agenda 111 no nesa Akufo-Addo and the friend and that's all agenda 111 because of what happened when you had the COVID you know the best expose you say say new hospitals facilities to tackle it, you know, okay, every district you should have a district hospital. Okay?
Out of 2 I would say 150. Pharmacy technicians, something 5. And 100 pharmacists.
Pharmacy technicians and pharmacists.
Now, I said, hospital. Be within 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes in the hospital be nearby.
Na it is what they compare niema ma nanado na se koka kan baby be dem ka sanya wa mo de attribution ni ma say wona wakoka o say uhu president bia aba Africa between na to nanado honda
o ene
ba ja ye wona okan
me na me kai ene true me ba tio
kwame kuma nyina ba nyere ni ade
kwame kuma mba yo mo de
Africa
kwame kuma ene de ne ho obi ene de ba let me tell you, Nanado Akufo-Addo, adwuma oyeye no. Ebe take 100 years. Ama nipa ni bi atiase.
We take 100 years. Asana ya tena.
Asana bi mu atiase. Because you see, uko secondary school where
secondary college.
Secondary college. Cause secondary school hono, you will see Akufo-Addo footprint ho.
Basa kwame kuma na see you.
Dabi o, me so ko mu Akufo-Addo footprint ho. And then now because we see dormitories, ne classrooms, additional classrooms, ne dormitories ho. Some call, but I can tell you. Item busa so ko school way. Obi so obi okọ secondary school bia okrom hanom, to bi okọ ye bia. Unless we are private school.
Tie bia mbo se bia prempe no money ade.
Okọ prempe, you will see additional dormitories.
Tia mass.
Okọ OT, you see additional dormitories and classrooms. Okọ Afia Kobi senior high, you see additional classrooms and dormitories. If you go to any secondary school, Ghana, this be omunya asase e DC e dan ye be ye.
Ona nu kwa na be hu ba kon e wo event akoma dan ho a full blown university a almost
fantastic.
And that's a bit
what I say. Me can't be here. People might think say me yeah. Oh, exactly. Now the power man. The power who say human capital is essential. It's very important. Say so pia school. Say because you say school onyo boni o. Wa yo ye. And when you say we be needs come no school. Also be a school ni say obi anko ni free no. Won pa do am free school no.
Well,
school no eh ma na say uche
jo ma also unya
chama nem obusam question ma answer o dem say oni dey mu a hwe obi e say obi anko school ni free no e dey na see here we have to go and I say run school no double track gold and then green e che say ni pa ko to so me ko school but no minister that should tell you say now you waste your human resources because according to GHS no 14 years we need quite obey receipt because BEC you receipt so automatically is akrano the life I ended
tinanadu ama
kakra be brem ko school eti me ka yo se nipa no wa ya ade a e na betiase hwe ye ma me asantini asante fo ma me fo mo na hwema asante fo papa fo o mo hwe e ma o mo hwe ofase eti asantini ma me bia no adwena woni tim se ne ba e be si yi eti tama ye ko secondary school no ye ma me mu ni skam de no mo ye no mo ton mo ntoma ye fa na afrete ne ntoma na wa yusu no abobo na de kono akoton no be da be twa school fees eti ye ma me mo eti free SHS na se hwe ma me bia obeka jo se free SHS nya papa no no he bada true na tem gase asante for man for
asante for SHS enya de papa no
yes asante for man for asem na make am go asante ni ma me ba bia ne ba e ko school bia 1970 1980 1990 omo ti sane manase because ade ya na se ma me wodwom na ya pam school fees na obekọ na ma me wotete but ne ba bia ne ba be ma ba ko pene on hwe ma won say hwe won say ma bebrebe anko school duma go say ma bebrebe anko school because na scan you fie Eti ne ye hwa na diska na ma be man say ye ma be man ko school na oba ne ntino fie. Akufo Addo ba ene e ma ko school ma ko school. You see, these are some of the things that people don't want to hear. And when I say it, people say, "Oh, akwa we there, we am people." Ni people ni o. Me LPG. We are there na ya be catch us adia we ye.
Is it be an Addo bribe will be now more scaby. Bawa dear.
That be on. I saw me kind no. And the corner say no correct. I saw me catch this here. And the corner say no. Say go for the end to Obama. Who was saying to Obama ni bim. Ana. When I go to Obama go for this here. Who was saying to Obama no. Ana me wa. Eti ne time atwa moko. But what ye name papa aboa me wo fast for. Me 3 years. Fortunately for me nyina me wo mo abuchi me nyina ko school abuchi. Me ba pia ni wo no ma ebe hia ne da.
Na me minimum dada.
Me ba pia no bi hia ne da. Do you know why? The tia hia me ba pia da say me nyina me do ma wo mo abuchi. What I say? It is ono ko anya adwuma ban be tia ne ka.
Well grounded.
Exactly. Na me ba no so wanya adwuma no so be on there osora obe leave obe fili keke.
Eti yanhwe situation
ni 1 million coders na enmebunu na be register wie na would redirect you to Google. Sam George, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for the better abontin say what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google ni ya driver the honum and what talkers they are supervisors. You cannot tell me, Sam George, you cannot tell me say what the 10 million Ghana cedis in one talkers. And the ama supervisor so almost fan supervisor there. So 50 million now was spent on the so-called supervisors. No, who are the supervisors, Sam George? Where are the so-called laptops now? What the bill Ghana? Me say laptop no. Ya bet na apisu ya who did this Sam George a koto laptop abako. Aye 12,400. Sa laptop bi na obeto ye na wo so ana enso no. Da ba ko ye 12,400 Ghana cedis. That is how much I the bill ye. What if we chin ye dia comment social bisa me say, do have I got any proof? Fa we chin ye, eja comment section bisa me say question.
I said Petro aba for me. Aba no dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, aba into me show, who na akofa wa de. What yes say? And I know asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya aba no de.
Oh, unti dem yeken. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes but say nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment. But say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no nya de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Prez GH, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?